Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to monetize a YouTube channel. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money through ads, channel membership, shopping, super chat and super stickers, super thanks, YouTube Premium, and some of these monetization features have different eligibility requirements. They updated the page to reflect new eligibility requirements and other updates to the program. Additionally, Shorts watch hours no longer count towards the 4,000 valid public watch hours thresholds. The YouTube Partner Program gives creator greater access to YouTube resources and monetization features, and access to our creator support teams. It also allows revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. Follow the YouTube channel monetization policies. These are a collection of policies and guidelines that allow you to monetize your YouTube, and compliance with them is required when you accept a partner agreement in YouTube. Once you understand what you need to join, your channel can become eligible for YPP with either shorts or long-form video. If you'd like notified that you're eligible, just click the Notify Me when you're eligible in the Earn area of YouTube Studio. You'll get an email once you've either of the eligibility thresholds. You should get 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or get 1,000 subscribers with 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!